Hi, nako. Yung anak ko nasa likuran, nag-musically. You're not gonna wearing on that clothes at the school again.
What?
Because that's very short.
No, it's not. I've seen shorter.
No, you have a dress code. What dress code you cannot have wearing on those spaghetti strap?
Yes, I can.
No.
Yes, you can.
You enjoy?
You don't know the dress code.
Okay. This is what you're gonna remember. If you get a warning, you're gonna big trouble. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday. Kakauwi ko lang galing sa trabaho guys, and did you hear my background is noise? So we have dealing that noise for 2 days already and tonight, but part of the day I'm not here. I was at work, so poor mom and my husband, they are dealing with that noise all the time. It's pretty dark on this room. So close this door because it's so noise. That's so loud out there. So I'm gonna put a bed sheets on this bed. So my stepkids are going to stay on this room. I'm going to start fixing this bed here. Because I really need to be done some cleaning up today, because tomorrow I wanted something different, and I have also to do packing some stuff for me to bring to the road trip with my friends. So I'll be right back. I'll see you in a bit guys after I cleaning up. Okay guys, finally, kakatapos ko lang maglagay ng bed sheets on that bed. So, pasensya na kasi makulimlim sa labas, madilim. So, that's pretty much it guys here. Yung dito, yung gamit dito, kailangan ko pang isorted siya kasi nandito may balikbayan box. This one, I'm gonna sending this one for next month, and I have to look at the rest of the stuff going to consignment kasi it's too much here. It just look like a junk. And I even not organized here yet, so ang dumi. And then I'm gonna sweeping and vacuum here guys. It's a little bit tight in here because mayroong mga cabinet doon at saka hindi pa na-organize kasi yung cabinet binili namin para sa shop namin na gusto naming itatayo. So we're not took that one right now guys, but yeah, yun ang pinipix ko na bed over there. So dito na yung anak ko dumating galing sa school. So I got I don't know what is this, but I got something TIA. I think that's my insurance or retirement. And I received my products that I ordered at Amazon. Sinusuot niya yung damit ko, yung outfit na sinusuot niya sa akin. So I cannot believe she's wearing my outfit now. If you're a mom of preteen or a teenager, are they also the same things do to you guys? They're borrowing your outfit, even though how I try to ask her not to wearing my outfit.
This is 1990 outfit.
1990 outfit.
Yeah.
So that top, I giving that to her because it's more pretty outfit for her, and for me, I can wear on those, but it's not comfortable. So that shirt, it's mine, but I think she can wear on it because there is a adjusting. And then the sandals she's wearing, it's mine too.
No, we borrowed this.
Yeah, that's
I
what.
wore it more than you have.
Yeah, that's what she always think. What my outfit is, it's her too.
No, this was laying around. And I said, ooh, that looks good with this on.
No.
I
No,
was trying on
girl.
like 50 times.
No, girl. I can show you. It's raining. I got rain. Guys, we're gonna have another noise. Hi guys, good morning. Oh my god, ang tsaka ko. Anyway, I haven't washed my face yet. Just woke up. And I went to the consignment the other day and I kind of start like reading books, but I don't read books before. Now I'm very curious, and this is very cheap. It's $2, and this is the books that I'm going to read. And I saw also this one in the movie, and I wanted to read this one first before watching a movie. And also I have this 10 cent 10 cent, and it says don't sweat the small stuff for tins. So I really like reading like these words, like here, let him have his accident somewhere else. That's all about today, guys. Not much. I just got home, and usually and normally my life, I don't vlog at work, and not allowed. Hi guys, so I just got back from consignment store. I'm doing a little bit thrifting, looking some jeans and shirts for this summer and for my work. Anyway, I'm gonna show you a little bit. So I don't have any makeup, so just don't bother it. So this bag, I went to CG. I pick up these shirts for my daughter. I don't know if it fits for her, but I hope she's gonna like it. And it says in the front, believe. That is the words of the t-shirts. And yeah, that has signed triangle. And I got this basic white. And then I got two shirts. This is what look like, guys, the short. And the other one is this. And then this one at the Marba, I got only 2 pair of jeans, the blue jeans, so I can. And finally, guys, in a long time, I pick up this each for $2 each, and this one it's perfect size for my hips and the size of this jeans. And then the last one, it's I think this one, and the back. Guys, hi guys, good afternoon. So today we have somebody to come over and look at our kitchen floor and living room, and even the dining hall, because downstairs we have we have problems downstairs. I'm gonna show you in a bit. but what happened is the floor is wet. We don't know what's happening, why the floor is get wet. So we think that was from the kitchen, our fridge or freezer, because I think that was leaking. So we have trouble already. Our floor is already wet, and then there is a different guy to come over and look that up. So they have left the pan on, a lot of them, because they're trying to dry that down because that was wet. So somebody looking where's the water from or leaking, and then somebody also looking the floor, and maybe we're gonna have a replacement. Well, I told my husband floor is still look good, and we just leave it like that until it dry. But my husband is he decided to replace it because it's been wet and there's a bacteria, and that bacteria it cause of mold. So we don't want to get mold, guys. So we're planning to replace it, and the guy left the pan on to let it dry, and then tomorrow they're gonna come back here and unlock it again. So I'm going to show you what's look like at the kitchen, because it's a mess, and I don't want, if you hear a little bit background noise, and that was from the downstairs. So everybody went to the bedroom and closed the door. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Hi guys, good afternoon. I just got home from work, then I went to Goodies and then neighborhood Walmart. I picked up a few things over there for food for this week, and I got 2 blouses that I got at Goodies. So this is what look like, guys. Drink. And then this one. She's scared of that noise. One more day. Hey Sophie. And thank you so much for watching.